My name is Brenda Carol Lee Wilson, and today's episode of Street Television is about food. Food is my favorite topic because I love to eat. I weigh 160 pounds, I'm 5'2", and I am considered obese for my height and weight. I don't think so, and everybody else says that I don't look that way, but according to the American medical standards, I am. And also, according to American medical standards, there are certain things that we should eat every day, every human being, no matter how old or how young you are. Unfortunately, as homeless people, and I have been homeless for 4 years, 8 months, and 2 days, we are not necessarily given that luxury of eating the food group, whether it's the pyramid one or the other one they used to do. We are given a lot of pasta, rice, breads, and starch. We are not Olympians. We're not out there burning off these calories. We're very sedentary, and that's because of what our lifestyles are like during the day. Yes, we're hauling everything we own around, but at the same time, we really don't need all that starch. Most of us are of the baby boomer generation. We're prone to high blood pressure and diabetes at this point in time. I want to say, first of all, we are very grateful for anything that we receive, because when you're hungry, you will eat anything. I was 16 years old and I had not eaten a McDonald's burger since then, because I do like health food. But when I had nothing and people gave me French fries and burgers, I ate them. I shared them with my dog, who didn't eat that kind of food either. But I was still grateful. I just want to also say that, please, feed us something decent. Feed us something good. Don't give us peanut butter and jelly. We had enough peanut butter and jelly when I was a kid. We don't want peanut butter and jelly now. And if you are going to give it to us, at least when we open up the bread, let me see peanut butter and jelly. All I ever do is just smell it. The same thing with egg salad. One time I went out to the park. Someone said they feed an egg salad sandwich out at the park. I love egg salad. I went out there. It took me 5 sandwiches just to scrape off enough to put between 2 pieces of bread and actually have some egg salad. What is the deal here? And please, bologna and cheese, forget that. We had enough of that when we were kids too. We don't like bologna. We don't want to see bologna. And the cheese is usually not real cheese. It's that cheese food, so it kind of melts, you know. It doesn't really stay together. We throw those away. As soon as you turn your backs, in the trash they go. Because we're not interested. We're interested in maybe what else you bring us. And please, give us something to drink that's decent, like bottled water, maybe lemonade. Why do you think we always want watered down tea? Why does everything have to be full of starch? My favorite at the shelter system is hot soup on a hot day. I had that for about 6 weeks one time last summer, and they would show up with corn, rice, potatoes, and pasta all mixed into one hot soup on about 100-degree day. And we'd have that for 6 days in a row. Now, is that nutritious? I don't think so. And also, when it comes to fruit, please don't give us bananas. They don't travel well. They bruise so easily. We love vegetables. Get us little carrot bags. Get us little broccoli bags. Give us apples, oranges, pears. Give us something like that. Give us something of substance that we can hang on to for a day or two. Because remember, we've got to carry stuff around, and we're always foraging for fruits, nuts, and berries. We're hungry. We're homeless. But do give us the right to have something decent to eat. Just because it's cheap, just because it's old or won't go bad quickly, doesn't mean that we necessarily want it. Try and remember, we want to be fed decent, good meals just like this.